The Yet to be Released tab, in the Proof of Investment Overview page, displays the list of employees for whom the proof of investment still needs to be released. The Regime drop-down helps you view the employees based on their regime selection. Select the new regime or old regime as per your requirement. You can always view all the employees regardless of their regime by selecting both. Use the Excel export option to download and export the details into Excel format. On this page, you choose Bulk Select to release the proof of investment declaration in bulk. For individual employees, use the Individual Details option. Select the employees for whom you want to release the proof of investment using the check boxes adjacent to their names. Under Employees Selected, click on Release and Submit. The release pop-up appears. You can set the auto-lock due date here. Select the date from the calendar and click Release to release the proof of investment. Once the proof of investment form is released, you can always click on the Released tab to view the employees to whom you have released the proof of investment declaration form. The Remind option helps you send a reminder email to the selected employees to declare proof of investment. This Reject and Lock option allows you to reject and lock the proof of investment declaration form for selected employees. The Change Auto Lock Due Date option allows you to edit the auto lock due date. You can also use the Delete Proof of Investment form option to delete the proof of investment declared by an individual or multiple employees. Kindly note that this option is available based on user requests. Employees will now get an email notification on their ESS portal to submit their proof of investment. With that, we come to an end. Thank you for watching the Great HR How To video series.